The Wellness Feed presents How to Get a Chiseled Jawline for Men. Height, beard, and muscular body are the traits that define a handsome man, but other than these things, a chiseled jawline is also a great feature that can make a man handsome. Many of the most masculine men in the world possess enviable jawlines. A commanding jawline depends on genetic factors, but if you are not born with pristine genes, you can do a lot to maximize your jawline. For some, losing weight is the key, while others will suggest you consider your wardrobe. Let us assure you one thing: whether you have a bold jawline or have a less prominent one, nothing can stop you from making your jawline look refined and fierce. We have rounded off a few techniques for your help, so you may make the world envious of your most chiseled jawline. If you want more videos like this in your feed, then subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. 1. Reach out to a skilled barber. Getting your facial hair shaved and your hair styled is the first step in creating the right style to fit your features. You must find a skilled barber who can help in making the changes needed to define your jawline. Creating more volume with your hair can make your face look elongated and make your jawline prominent. If you don't have a lot of hair to work with, the good news is that by just trimming your facial hair, you can accentuate your jawline as well. 2. Jawline exercises. There are a number of exercises available for jawline muscles, which include neck curl-ups, which is a sit-up for your jawlines. Moving around your jaw and pushing it forward as you're showing your bottom teeth to someone can be of great help in terms of jawline workout. Just avoid straining the muscles by moving back and forth slowly. Jawline exercises have gotten great popularity among youth in the past 3 to 4 years. That's the reason companies have introduced tools for facial exercise. These tools include balls, weight, and other devices. Though exercise is the best and healthiest strategy for your entire neck and face to get a pristine jawline, these tools can be used as alternatives because they give results quickly. 3. Chewing. Best exercise for your teeth and jawline is chewing. Gum chewing is the most effective and intuitive way to exercise your facial muscles. Chewing alone works on 8 facial muscles, neck and jawline. It also helps in reducing double chin. It strengthens facial muscles, thus making them more accentuated. 4. Mewing. Mewing is essentially resting the entire tongue on the palate instead of on your mouth floor. When you place your tongue to the roof of your mouth, your jawline becomes more pronounced because the symmetry held by the mouth and jawline together makes your look aesthetically appealing. Over time, mewing helps you in correcting tongue posture and steady improvement in your facial structure. 5. Medical procedures. The costliest way to get a chiseled jawline is through plastic surgery, popularly done by injecting fillers into the bone of your jawline. The whole procedure takes only 30 minutes. Moreover, this option of plastic surgery is extreme and there's no guarantee that it will even work. And on top of that, it needs to be done annually. That's why jawline workout exercises remain the best non-invasive alternatives to plastic surgery with more natural results. Before you go for plastic surgery, give chewing and mewing a try. 6. Establish a skincare regime. Your natural jawline can be overshadowed because of acne scars or blemishes. If this is the case, you should consider a man's acne treatment system to eliminate these problems. By treating acne, you can finally say goodbye to pimples that distract from your handsome looks. We can't all be lucky enough to be born with a pristine jawline, but with a little effort, you can accentuate these manly features and drive the ladies wild. Working on your undeveloped muscles can be a very useful technique. These muscles are often ignored even at the gym. It is the main reason of flimsy and dropping necks, an underlying cause of neck pain. Accentuating your jawline with the help of the tricks above can cure your neck pain too. If you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends and families. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Also, be sure to check out more videos as well. We will update you with some other interesting videos. Thanks for watching.